In this video, I'll show you how to use Kling AI and create AI videos step by step. First, open Kling AI and sign in to your account. After logging in, you'll see the main workspace where you can create and manage your AI video projects. To start creating a video, choose the video generation option. Depending on what you want to create, you can use text to video or image to video. For text to video, enter a detailed prompt describing the scene you want to generate. You can mention the subject, location, action, camera movement, lighting, and visual style. The more clearly you describe the scene, the easier it is to guide the AI toward your desired result. For example, instead of simply writing, "a man walking," you can describe a realistic man walking through a city street at sunset, with cinematic lighting, natural movement, and a slow camera tracking shot. After entering your prompt, review the available generation settings and choose the options that match your project. Then start the generation process and wait for Kling AI to create your video. Once the video is ready, preview the result carefully. Check the character, movement, camera motion, background, and overall quality. If the result isn't what you expected, adjust your prompt and generate another version. You can also experiment with different prompts and visual styles to create cinematic, realistic, creative, or social videos. The key to getting better results with Kling AI is using clear prompts, describing motion carefully, and improving your instructions based on each generated result. And that's how you can get started with Kling AI and create AI videos step by step. In this